I'm Ian Campbell. I work for the Canadian Welding Bureau, and I'm Director of Product Development and New Ventures. And the CWB Group is the national regulatory body for welding within Canada. Modern learners, especially up-and-coming generations, they don't learn the way that I did or my grandfather did. And I think that's an important thing for all of us to recognize. Thanks to Enable, we have the ability to do some interactive stuff that was not possible before. We've been lucky enough to work with Enable to try to figure out how to fill that gap and then to actually start to implement some of that technology. The basic program that was put together has now been in the market, I guess, 5 years. And we started really with Enable, we started at a very basic level, just trying some stuff with augmented reality and being able to scan some QR codes out of textbooks and show 3D objects. And that was kind of an eye-opener for us and the people that use our material, because we saw the adoption in the students. The students saw a textbook and rolled their eyes, and then when the textbook says, take out your mobile phone, everything changes, right? Their whole world is like, oh, there's something I can do with my phone in this. From a platform technology perspective, they are right where things are happening. So if there is some kind of emerging trend in the learning and development world, they're already on it. An example would be like XAPI, which is a standard to move information to and from learning systems. I was thinking about it, implementing it on our internal end of things, then I talked to Enable and they're like, yeah, we're already doing it. We're already there for you, Ian. The one thing I like about them is it's a company of thinkers. The people here think about what they need to do. They're just not following a specification. So, we might have a meeting and we might talk about this wonderful thing we want to build out. They'll go away, they'll deliver that, but they'll also come back with a laundry list of other things that they can add to it that make that experience, take it from a 5 and make it an 8, which, for a partner, I can't ask for anything better than that. Considering the ask, considering the cost benefit of working with Enable is very good. The service they deliver is top notch. The price that they deliver it at is fair market value. What I'm not paying for that I get is this extra level of service on top of that, which, I've worked with a lot of contractors in the past, and you give them a statement of work, and they give you exactly what's on the statement of work, and they're quite happy to take the check. I've found with the team we work with at Enable that it's not, when the payment date comes, that's not the end of it. Nothing feels held back. Nothing feels like they're going to do phase 1 and then they already know they can do phase 2, but they're going to wait and hit me again later with phase 2. If they know of something and it can be implemented, we're having that conversation from day 1. Thanks to Enable, we are the pinnacle. We have companies from around the world that come to us and go, we see what you're doing. How do we make that happen? How do we follow your lead? If we had to do it ourselves without a partner, we probably wouldn't have done it.